We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss application procedure for SSC CPO exam. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notifications. Open a new tab. Go to the official website, that is ssc.nic.in, or you can just search by SSC official website and you'll get this page. Here you can enter your registration number and password if you have already applied for any exam in SSC, for example SSC CGL, CHSL, Steno or any other exam. But if you are applying for the exam for the first time, go to the new user. You'll get this page. Fill your basic details, that is, do you have an Aadhaar? Yes, Aadhaar number. Okay, I am just putting in arbitrary number. Verify the Aadhaar number, and if you don't have an Aadhaar card, please select the type of Aadhaar card. Please select the type of ID, that is voter ID, PAN card or anything. Enter the ID number and then your name. For example, verify the name, that is XYZ. Have you changed your name? If yes, please click to yes. Write your changed name. For example, yes, what is your changed name? MNO. And if not, then no. Father's name. Verify your father's name. Okay, it says at least 2 character. Chalo, father's name. Similar, write your mother's name. Verify your mother's name. Your date of birth, select it, like the year, which year or something like this. Let's say 5th 2019. Now verify the same thing. Go to the year. Select the year. Your board, whichever board you are, that is in 10th, as it says class 10th examination details. Verify your board name. Write down your roll number. Verify your roll number and your year of passing, like in which year you passed the examination, that is, take it to be 2020. Your gender, whether you are male or female or a transgender. Verify it. Your educational qualification, like have you done only 10th or 12th or diploma or graduation, post graduation or PhD. This is your highest qualification. It's not like if you have done graduation then you are like I have done 10th also, 12th also. No, it's your highest qualification. So whatever your highest qualification is, take it to be graduation. Enter your number. Verify it. Your email ID. Verify your email ID too, as it says, and the state whichever you are in. Now make sure you fill all the details correctly, as once this is done you cannot change them, and even make sure all the details it matches to your class 10th or all the official documents, like name should match to your class 10th and official document. The ID you are giving, like here I have given my Aadhaar card's detail, so in the examination I must carry my Aadhaar card, so give the ID detail which one you have, and after this save. As I have already applied, So I'm just resetting it, and once this is done, you'll get a message and a mail in your registered mail ID and number, in which you will have the registration number and the password. So just type your registration number and password. Like, let me show you mine. Okay, and the password. Write the text whatever is given here, just copy it and log in. Now, okay, so you get this page where it's given latest notification, like what are the exams that you can apply in, or what are the exams you could have applied. So we can see here the first examination that is given is Sub Inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Force Examination 2020, and the application start from 17th June 2020, application ends 16th July 2020 up to 11:30 p.m. Last date of making online fee payment 18th July 2020 up to 11:30. Last date of generation of official challan 20th July 2020 up to 11:30 p.m. and last date of fee payment through challan at SBI, that is 22nd July 2020 during the working hours of bank. So the first thing is notification. Make sure you read the notification completely so as to be clear, like what are the exam centers are mentioned, what is the syllabus for the examination, what are the important dates, what are the pay scale, vacancies, eligibility criteria, what are the plus point if you have any reservation, what is the age limit that is allowed. You must read everything very carefully, and once you are done with the notification, go to the same page again. Here you see apply, as I have already applied, so I can't reapply. After the application, you print the application, download offline challan if you are paying the application fee in a offline mode, or if it's online mode, that is net banking via UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, anything, you can go through that option. But if you are going through an offline challan, here is download offline challan, do the payment, see the payment status and your application status, and double verification of payment. This is the last step. Once you are done with this, your form is complete, and the next is you'll get your admit card if everything is correctly mentioned before 2 to 3 weeks of the examination. And if everything is done, please make sure you log out. Okay, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year paper of SSC examination like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. And even if you have any query regarding the form filling procedure or anything, please comment in the comment box down. Thank you. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.